Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the 0.5 camera on Snapchat. Now to use the 0.5x ultra wide camera on Snapchat for Android or iOS, what you need to do is first switch to the rear view. So you click on this icon, make sure you are on the rear view camera, and then you tap on the 0.5x button that you should see above the shutter right here. If you don't see it, you probably do not have the option. You can, of course, pinch to zoom out as well on the camera screen. And if it doesn't, that means you don't have it. What you can do to confirm is go open your phone's camera. And if you try to zoom out, you can see this one only goes up to 1x. And on my other phone, it actually does go up to 0.5x. So just make sure before you try. Otherwise, it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.